everybody, I'm Flip, the first Convercycle of its kind. I'm an electric city bike and a cargo bike at the same time. I combine the best of both worlds. In normal use, you can ride me as comfortably as a common bike and I take up the same space. And Flip, I spontaneously turn into a cargo bike. Isn't that cool? Picking up parcels, sombrero, spontaneous shopping, photo equipment, cute babies, no problem at all. You're having a barbecue with friends and you're running out of drinks, 1/2 soft drinks, 1/2 beers, don't mix them. Cheers. I got a split. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. The usual bike rack is made for normal bikes. A common cargo bike is too long and too wide for it. And Flip. But let's have a look at the details. This guy is David, the inventor of the Convercycle. During the last couple of years, he has worked a lot on the topic of mobility, studying industry design. One of the biggest problems, there are too many cars. An environmentally friendly answer is the cargo bike. However, those common cargo bikes aren't easy to handle in everyday life. But I, on the other hand, am compact and can spontaneously unfold, as you've already seen. Another advantage is that I have only 2 wheels. Now, when you're riding a bike, you steer by tilting rather than using the handlebar. Now, if I had 3 wheels, I'd have to take much bigger turns. Unfolding is possible for me because I do not have 1, but 2 chains. The rear one unfolds together with the rear wheel. Really clever, don't you think? Did I actually mention that I have a removable battery? Today, David is working together with a whole team of engineers and bicycle professionals to get me in production. And this is where you come in. We need your support for achieving this goal. You want to do something for your health, for the environment, or a simpler everyday life? Then support the Convercycle so we can soon flip out together. Hop on, David, and let's take a ride. Roll credits. Sorry. Got this one. Hey, ow! Sorry. Hey, give me the ball!
This is John. He is an experienced motorcycle rider. John knows that safety is important, which is why he at least wears this. And this. And of course, this. But what if you could prevent an accident altogether? Well, that's Jane. Hi, Jane. And this is BrakeFree. Just like John, she too is an experienced rider and she's all about safety. She knows that being visible at all times is the key. It's a smart LED light that does sophisticated things. Unlike your motorcycle's taillight, BrakeFree is at eye level, so all drivers can see you. It'll grow brighter to alert drivers around you when you're slowing down, no matter how, braking, downshifting, or engine braking. Turn it on and it stays on. No need to connect it with wires or use an app. And that's what Jane and riders really care about, being seen to prevent an accident in the first place. Whether you're this, or even this kind of rider, you'll still want this. This bridges the gap between safety and style. This is BrakeFree. A smarter way to be seen.
I've been riding for the past 10 years, and I love every second of it. I also have a wife and 2 beautiful daughters, so my safety is always my top priority. Shortly after I graduated college, I got the opportunity to apprentice under a successful Silicon Valley entrepreneur. While working on one of his new ideas, an autonomous brake light for cars, I quickly realized that this is the perfect product for motorcycle riders.
So at BrakeFree, we're trying to use advanced manufacturing techniques from companies like Audi and BMW and bring those to the consumer market. to deliver a safety product that is like no other. One of the biggest hurdles for the design process was trying to make our unit fit on as many helmets as possible. And the way we did this was we took as many helmets as we could get and we 3D scanned the back of them. And what we're trying to get at is a shape that's going to work for as many helmets as possible and also maximize the surface area of the lights, because the surface area of the lights is obviously important in how much you can see them.
Products that have been on the market already are all mounted fixed on a vehicle. That works well and can detect acceleration, but as soon as the head of the rider starts moving, a lot of these devices give false readings. What's special about the BrakeFree device is that we can detect deceleration in the direction of travel, even though the head of the rider where the light is mounted may move sideways and tilt forward. The end goal at BrakeFree is to increase safety for riders. We did that in 2 ways. First, create a device that people will want to wear, and second, make something that works.
One of the most important aspects of our safety is our visibility, and it's also one of those things that's most neglected.
Currently in the market, there's some high-vis gear that's either in a helmet or a vest or in pants. And to me, I mean, it's definitely a step in the right direction, but they're a static piece. They're not going to really get the attention. They're not going to really capture kind of a semi-glazed driver, if you will. What's nice about this product is it illuminates and flashes, so it's something that is dynamic, and it definitely can make the difference between saving a life.
BrakeFree is something that's really unique. Never seen anything like it before. Cars have a triangle of lights these days, modern cars, the 2 taillights, the light that's up in the back window. Motorcyclists' taillights are generally small, and they're designing them to look even cooler and smaller, and they become even harder to see. The BrakeFree brings a light that is going to be noticeable by drivers up into their basic field of vision.
This is why BrakeFree needs to exist. BrakeFree is bridging the gap between style and safety. I dedicated the last 2 years of my life to get BrakeFree to where it is today. And this is where we need your help. Now we need the tooling to manufacture our first large order and get BrakeFree into the hands of riders everywhere. Thank you.
Introducing the Boomerang GPS Cyclotrack V2, a bike accessory designed to provide security for your bike and safety for you, the rider. With Cyclotrack 2, security and safety are as simple as activating the device with our app. Then you're free to walk away and enjoy the peace of mind knowing that Boomerang is protecting you from theft. If anything happens to your bike, an alarm will sound and the Boomerang Companion app will alert you that your bike is being tampered with instantly. So who needs a Boomerang? Anyone who doesn't want to replace their bike. E-bike owners, enthusiasts, commuters, parents or spouses of bike owners, and anyone who wants to protect their biking freedom. With Boomerang, riders become part of the community. Come on, join in. No matter where you are in the world. With Boomerang, your journey can take you to the top of mountains. It allows you to get out and express yourself, whether you're speeding to work on a bike or cruising through a park with friends. Bike protection made simple and easy. Protect your freedom with Boomerang. Peace of mind anywhere, anytime.
Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the KupperMount. The first thing you're going to want to do is prepare your surface by just giving it a nice clean so there's no dirt or dust on there. Then you're going to take your front KupperMount, put it right on where you're going to mount it, push it down. Now you'll notice there's a red line on this pump. This pump here indicates that you have the right seal. If that red line is hidden, that's how you know you're good to go. So go ahead and pump. Once you're pumped all the way down, you can see the red line is hidden. That's how you know you have a good seal. Next thing you're going to do is grab your bike, remove the front wheel, which I've already done, and stick these front forks right into your fork mount, like so, and go ahead and loosely tighten it not all the way, so they can now go to installing the rear mount. For the rear mount, same as the front, you prepare your surface by cleaning it off, see where it's going to sit. Take your rear cup, set your tire right down in it. And same as the front, you have a red line indicator that lets you know that you have a good seal. And to get that seal, go ahead and just pump it down. Once you pump it down and you don't see the red line anymore, you know that you have a good seal. Take the supplied ladder strap, wrap it through your rim, tighten it down, and now your rear tire is secured. Go back to your front, finish tightening up your front fork mount here. Boom. And now your bike is 100% secured to your vehicle. Last thing you're going to want to do is take the supplied Velcro strap, wrap it around your pedal, arm, and the frame. And once you tighten that, now your pedals won't backspin when you're going down the road. And that's how quick and easy it is to install the KupperMount.
Hi guys, oh my god, I have to tell you about the HYCORE wheel. I just put it on my bicycle. It is amazing. It's so convenient. It can take you so far. I am just addicted to this.
Yo guys, I just got the new HYCORE wheel, and compared to a regular bike, it's so much faster and so much more fun.